Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader, and it's Wednesday night, December the 8th, 2010. These are the charts of the day, and starting off alphabetically as usual. AMRN has formed a nice little consolidation in this range, and I like the way it's acting here. I think that we may be seeing the stock emerge out of this, and if it does, a big spike up could take place and get it up to 8.5 plus, and that's what our trading target is. We'll keep an eye on it. ARBA came out of the consolidation through October, November with a pop here, consolidated again, and then we have moved steadily from about 20 to 23. Now there's lateral price resistance right around 23.5. If ARBA can get through that, I would look for additional upside that takes it into the 25 and then $28 areas. Audio codes. AUDC broke out of this month-long consolidation, popped last week, and now over the last 4 sessions has formed a lower volume, tight little coil or a flag, and it looks like it's headed up towards my next trading target around 6 3/4, maybe 7. AVAV Aero Environment popped today and broke out of a key base, which had kept this stock under covers for about the last 5 or 6 months here, but the longer pattern shows that additional upside potential if it breaks 228, which is our next trading target, could lead Aero Environment into the low 30s. Calix, CALX, broke out of a 2.5 month coil, surged, and then broke out across the lateral price resistance on big volume here. Pulled back yesterday, but today popped another 58 cents, and it appears it's ready to move higher. The all-time high near the IPO is around 18, and that will set as our trading target on Calix. Entropic, in a beautiful rising channel for the last year, having taken it from about 2.25 up to nearly 11. The stock was up 53 cents or 5% today, but more importantly, confirmed the breakout across lateral price resistance a couple days ago, and it's extending. Top of the channel calls for a move up towards the 14 range. That's our trading target short term for Entropic. Ford Motor Company, we really like the overall pattern. This base here, the breakout, and the nice steady run up into November. Now, since then, the stock came down, tested the moving average, ran up, and then backed off and formed a little 4 or 5 day flag here. Today's volume increased to 106 million shares. The stock appears to be on the verge of a breakout, and if it does, look for a potential run up towards the 1920 range. 19.5-20, we'll call it for Ford. Finisar broke out last week and has been consolidating for 4 days, but I believe that this little flag is going to lead to higher levels. Trading target at 28 and 32. Fuel Tech had a significant price volume surge today. The volume of 573,000 shares was the biggest volume on Fuel Tech since June. And now that the base has been broken out and declining tops line have been taken out, 2 of them, it appears that Fuel Tech could make it up to my trading target around 9.25, secondary target around 11. iGo Incorporated forming another beautiful little flag here. Low volume, good technicals. I believe a breakout may occur that takes it through 340, runs it up to the $4 and then $4.50 areas. LOJN has been had a significant price volume surge out of a 6-week coil. Today jumping 66 cents or 13% on 547,000 shares. That's one of the heaviest days of the year. Actually looks like the second heaviest volume day in a year and a half. So significant price volume surge across this line, and has completed a base pattern that's lasted 2 years and can lead to a big price move. First target 7 3/4, secondary target 10.5, 11. MGM Resorts. Now this stock, which has been consolidating nicely over the last year, had a big run earlier in the year, pulled back, broke out, and it's backed and filled in a wedge type pattern. Today the stock looks like it's trying to emerge. My short-term trading target is 15, secondary target at around 18. NXPI Semiconductor, which came public in August, but based out for a few months, broke out last week, paused for a couple of days, but today jumped 207 or 1.3 million shares. It looks like the biggest volume we've had in 3 months or so. So a significant move and a confirmation of the breakout. Higher levels should be reached shortly. Trading targets 21 and 24. Rediff, real interesting action here. After this declining channel was broken with a 2-day thrust, the stock paused for 2 days, backed off, and today jumped back 23 cents, almost 6%. I'm looking for a move out of this consolidation that takes it up and tests 5 and then moves up towards 6.25. RIT had a good day today. RITT popped 87 cents. Volume increased a bit. The heaviest volume in 3 sessions. And if this 4-day pullback is a bullish one, and it certainly looks it, RIT looks like it could be headed towards the $15 level. Our short-term target, intermediate target, 19. SRZ Sunrise Senior Living, significant move yesterday with a nice follow-up day today that breaks it out across the June high. Next up is a run at the $6 level, the March high. That could occur as early as the next couple of days. If we get through that level, you have a significant price volume surge. You could get it into the let's have the secondary target around 10. Taser came to life today, and it may be back in play. The 6-month base pattern was broken with a thrust of 3.3 million shares, the heaviest volume since April. Stock broke out of the base. Next target 6, secondary target 785.8 zone. And lastly today is TravelZoo TZOO, which we've been monitoring closely as I believe is moving higher in a nice channel, but the 6-day flag here is due for perhaps a thrust out of, and if it does, now my target has been raised to 55. That's the secondary target, initial target at 49.50 area. That's it for tonight. The market keeps hanging in there and refuses to cave with another late rally today. That's it. We'll talk to you tomorrow.